Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to speed up existing video for Instagram Reels. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So if you're trying to speed up your existing video speed for Instagram Reels, then here is an option to do that. So to speed up your video, you have to capture a video instantly. So for that, tap on this plus icon, tap on Reel, and here you'll find this speed option. So tap on that and you can select any of them. So I'm going to select here 3x, and now you have to record your reel and tap on done. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.